take the same proof. And morally you want to say, yes, if I can prove something at x, and then y is equal to x, then obviously anything that held for y can, held for x can also hold for y. Okay. This one in particular, but also that one, is very useful when you're proving, right? So we will see in rock, it's already part of the study. I think it's called F equal. And it's very useful if you're trying to prove, for example, here we had that 0 equals 0, right? Or even better, we could say that 1 equals add 0, 1, and then if I want to prove that for 2, I just apply the successor to both sides, and then I have successor of 1, which is 2, equals successor of add 0, 1, 1, so 2 equals 2. But you can, just apply function to an equality that you already know. Yeah?
I think I'm having some trouble following the syntax. Is it possible to write those rules with the J rule? Just like maybe the transport rule using J?
You want me to write the transport rule with a J?
Yes. I'm just curious what it would look like. Is it hard?
Not now. We can do it after.
Thank you.
Yeah. I really don't. My point was that I don't want to do this, right?
I thought it was short.
My point was now and never again.
Thank you.
But if you really want to, I can derive it myself and make 1,000 mistakes on the way, and then I can give you the derivation. Or we can, even better, we can derive it together and express it in the whiteboard. Okay. This was what I wanted to tell you about the propositional equality. How am I doing on time? I have 5 more minutes, so that is not enough for all of the universes, which is a shame. So we will do universes tomorrow, I guess, or the next time. I can actually ask you what you prefer. So I want to do I wanted to show you how to use all of these principles in rock. Like, this is a typical example, it's hiding from me the J rule. It's just, induction, or Agda is even worse. It's just like click, click, and it's gone. And I wanted to show you how we can see all of the other things, like, how you see the judgmental equalities, how you see all of the variable rules, and so on and so forth. But I do think the universes are also important. So we can do the universes first tomorrow and then do rock, or we can switch things around, whichever you prefer. So raise your hand if you're tired of the theory and you just want to see some code and have fun with it, and then be ready for the theory at the end, or if you want to just do the theory and get it over with. So hands up if you want to do rock first. Okay, hands up if you want to do the theory first. About half. Okay. I'll flip the coin and you'll be surprised tomorrow. Okay. So